my sweets. This is another hijab tutorial that I really wanted to share with you all because I truly love wearing this hijab style. It's actually one of my favorite. So all you have to do is just twist the hijab like the longer side, okay, like so, and then you can have a lot of coverage with this one. It depends on you and what you prefer. You can either have it on top of your shoulder, and you can do whatever you want. Anyway, so I like it like this, and then to secure my hijab I use a hijab pin, and I pin it right there. And after that my hijab is secure and the hijab tutorial is done. So I really hope you like this tutorial. I know it's super duper easy, but still wanted to share this with you. So yeah, anyways, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.